Day 1 of my diet. Day 3 of my diet. 1 week of my diet.
They're not gonna believe me, Mom.
Shut up and listen to your mom.
I miss your dad. It's so big.
Oh!
Okay, let's check what your father has to say. He doesn't want to talk.
Yes, it's boba.
Not the only balls you ever have. Ass eaters.
Ma, will you punch your daughter for $1 million?
I will do it for Nutella. It's screaming like your father.
I know. Yeah. Mom! Apple, would you punch Mommy for $100,000?
No. What the fuck is wrong with you, bitch? Why not? Tatlo kayo going for today. Maui or The Rock?